Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use PlayerPrefs in Unity to save, load, and delete data. What is PlayerPrefs? PlayerPrefs is a simple data storage system in Unity that allows you to save small amounts of data, such as player scores, game settings, and preferences. It works by storing data in key value pairs and supports three types: integers, floats, and strings. Our goal is to create three distinct functions, each dedicated to saving, loading, and deleting the player's score. By implementing these functions, we ensure that player progress is stored securely, retrieved when needed, and reset when necessary. Once these functions are in place, we will integrate them with a UI text element to visually display the score in real time. Finally, we will thoroughly test our implementation in Unity to ensure everything works seamlessly. The save function stores the player's score using PlayerPrefs, setint, ensuring that progress is not lost when the game is closed. The load function retrieves the saved score using PlayerPrefs, getInt. If no score is found, it returns a default value, for example, 0. This ensures that players can continue their progress even after restarting the game. If you find these types of videos helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The delete function removes the stored score using PlayerPrefs, delete a key, resetting it to its initial state. This is useful when implementing a reset button or allowing players to clear their progress. Let's go ahead and test it now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.